Ayan, at andito pa rin tayo sa bulubundukin ng Taiwan. Nakikita nyo ang mga bundok sa likuran ko. Ayan. So ngayon, pupunta tayo. Alis muna ako guys. Pupunta ka doon sa kabilang side. Maghahanap tayo ng sapatos. So ayan. Samahan nyo ako guys. Mura lang mga sapatos dito guys. Tingnan nyo. So ayan. Ayan ang mga bundok, bundok. Pwede na nag-abroad ka nga, pero sa bundok ka pa, napadpa. Hi guys, we are now here in Yodisha. So we are looking for the shoes, but unfortunately, wala kaming nakita na katulad ng hinahanap namin. Instead, na nakita namin is t-shirt, not shoes. So ayan. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Ayan. The quality is nice. The price is also affordable. Let me see. You can pay now. You can pay now. $805. You can pay now. 805. Yeah.
You have it here? Oh, you don't. It's mine.
Kabili siya ng belt at ng t-shirt.
Kung namin kung sak ay buksan ng eh. Kung sipa.
She want to take photo. So ayun guys, lilipat kami ng another store dahil wala naman kami nakita doon na available. So we will move to another place. We will try to look here.
I don't want you to aim.
But I don't think so.
No shoes here.
There is no, but their side. Don't lose hope. It's still fine. Because I see last night. I will not tell you if I don't see him last night. I think their side, this side. We cross to another side.
I see they have clothes.
We cross on the another side. I think there is. There is. We will just try.
Yeah, they have.
We just look.
Careful, okay?
Okay. We cross here. I saw they are selling shoes here. So, hello. Oh,
They have schools.
let's see. Let's see. Come inside. The quality is nice. Yeah. This one bonbon, ah. Quality is nice, and then super light. And then this is made in Vietnam. So this is size 44. Size 44.
I wear for maybe 42.
Masarap mag-ikot guys kapag ganito yung weather na hindi siya mainit, hindi naman siya sobrang lamig. So moderate lang yung weather dito. So ayan. Ang sarap mag-ikot-ikot, di ba?
What did you do?
So, ayan. Parang gusto ko ng siopaw, pero natatakot ako kasi baka mamaya may pusang laman. But it's not. So they have also jewelry shop here. There is also a 5-star hotel. Ah, no, 5 stars fast food here, but not hotel. Yes, charot. Charot lang yun, guys. So, sa mga gustong bumili ng cellphone, bili na kayo. Yan si Kuya for sale din. Bye! Ayun si Chioy! Chioy, bye-bye! Okay. Nakita tayo ni Choy dito sa gitnang kasada. Ayan. Parang
Okay.
kapitbahay lang din natin. Di ba?
Show you.
Pakaway-kaway, sigaw-sigaw. Ito yung ating lugar. So ayan, malinis na. Dati ang daming damo. So ngayon nilinisan na nila. Tinanggal yung mga damo-damo dyan. So ayan, mga puno na yan ng lychees. So panahon ng lychees, marami na yung bunga. Yan. So ayan, nakabalik na nga ako dito guys. Galing kami sa kabilang side. Galing kami doon. Tumingin kami ng kung ano-anong sari-saring mabibili. So ayan, nandito na ako. Bye bye. Diyan yung tatapos yung araw ng aking Sunday. So see you again guys on my next videos. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Ingat kayong lahat.